What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I'm hot. I've been out here cleaning on this car, getting ready for the car meet tomorrow. Got a car meet about an hour and a half away. So I'm bringing the TC. She's all cleaned up. Spit shined right there, baby. Just put that GT spoiler on it last week. Repainted this. Alright guys, made it to the car show. And couldn't go to Bowling Green. It got rained out this morning, so we decided to come up here to Ashland City at a little small car show for a fundraiser. So we're all pretty much set up. Got my brother's car right there. Got our Scion TC. I don't think y'all actually seen this car yet, but alright, we're gonna do interview Richard's car. Let y'all see that. That's okay, ain't it?
I guess it is.
Pretty slick little shiny wheels you got going on up here. Some coilovers. What kind of coilovers you got?
BC Racing.
BC Racing. Yep. You got some kind of turbo on here too, don't you?
Yeah.
New intercooler turbo. Like, how many horsepower are you putting out?
It's like 290 last time I checked it.
290. That's pretty good for this light car. Like the color.
Thank you.
Pretty sweet.
If you ever want to have some fun with your car, take it to autocross. I took hers one day, didn't have anything else to drive on stock tires. Al drove a bunch of modified cars with it. I was pretty impressed with how well it
That's
handled.
awesome.
It was a lot of fun that day.
$427 in that one. What year is that? Oh, look at the inside. That's pretty nice.
That's really nice. You kept it kind of stock looking, but still modernized.
But still with the painted column and
It looks good.
dirty tires.
Huh?
Dirt on the tires.
Yeah, sure. For that at a real car show. It's got some crazy paint on it, don't it? Look at the sparkle in that sucker.
Yeah.
No cobwebbing or nothing on it. Still taping everything?
Yeah. I'll just edit it out. Good Lord.
This is your territory here, isn't it? Used to be. I think it's low.
Pretty low. They had a
car everybody wanted when I was in high school.
They had a Trans Am meet or something in Nashville, and there was like 500 Trans Am going down the street.
Smoky and the Bandit.
Yeah. Yeah. It was a ton. Things turbocharged. That's kind of crazy.
Got the. It's really not cold air intake right there. I like that.
Probably ain't nowhere else to put it.
Where's the air cooler at?
Well, I see something up front there. I think it's behind this.
Oh, I see some blue bolts. Probably. Yeah.
Because, I mean,
Yeah.
the whole inside painted like that. Pretty cool. Yeah. I think got some wide tires in the back.
Yeah, that's an LS motor.
It says ZL1.
Yep. See, it's not clean.
This one yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. That thing's fast.
Oh yeah.
It does the job. It'll get through traffic.
Big block.
All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all watching. Had a fun time at the car show. We didn't win anything, but hey, we look good doing it. We look good doing it. Right?
That's right.
That's right. Hey, thanks for watching, y'all guys. Give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Y'all have a great day.